Okay, so I'm in a bit of a situation here.
Okay.
I have a kitty on my shoulders.
No. Oh no.
Can you see his face?
Hi, kitty. You're in the light. Hi, kitty, kitty.
Woo.
Come here, stupid. Where you going?
Hi.
No. He was
Can you
licking. He was licking you.
You don't have to hold it, I just want to see. Can you see him in there?
Yeah.
He's got his butt on my face. That was gross! His tail went in my mouth! I spit it back out and it scared him and he dug his claws into my shoulder.
Death by tail.
Hello?
Watch for tails, they're a choking hazard.
Hello?
Moving along.
What are you